To start off, I've added a video into my timeline here. The first thing we're going to use here is the selection tool. So you can select it here, or you can press V on your keyboard. Now we are going to grab our playhead marker here and drag it along our clip until we reach the point we want to cut at. Now we can simply trim our clip by hovering over the start of our clip here, clicking and dragging until we hit our marker there. Now once we've done that, we can simply drag our video here back to the start of our timeline. There's a couple of faster ways to do this. The first way is you can simply right click the empty space there and select Ripple Delete. Or an easier way is, as you're trimming your video, simply hold Command or Control on your keyboard whilst you're dragging your clip, and it will automatically remove the gap for you. And as you can see, it's brought it back to the start for us. Now I'm going to make a couple more cuts on my video here, and to do that I'm going to use the razor tool, which is this one here, or you can press C on your keyboard. Once you have made your cuts, you can trim them the same way we did before by dragging the ends here. But say you wanted to just get rid of this middle bit, you can simply go back to your selection tool here, select your clip, and then press delete on your keyboard. Now as you can see here, it's left another gap for us. So you can do the same thing as last time. You can right click, Ripple Delete. Another handy shortcut while you're doing this trim is to hold Shift while you press delete, and it will automatically Ripple Delete for you and bring all the clips forward. And that's how simple it is to trim and cut video in Premiere Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.